Dennis's stir fry made as follows. Simmer some extra firm tofu, both sides sautéed on sesame oil base until they're braised on both sides. That enables them to keep the moisture in. You slice them up into large rectangles to do the braising, and then once they're braised on both sides, then you cut a knife through them to turn them into cubes, little cubes. That gets things going. Then I throw in scallion onions, chopped not too fine, and peanuts, slightly crushed, plenty of those, all on top of more sesame oil. Get that simmering. I'll use two pans. I'll use the big one to put the ingredients in as I prepare things in a medium-sized pan. That's the medium-sized pan I used. Its job today is done. Then on top of that, I put in some yellow bell peppers. I add shiitake mushrooms and portobello mushrooms, sliced fairly large pieces, but again, diced into chunks. Then there's sprouts, white green sprouts, and bok choy. For seasoning, I use oyster flavored sauce, oyster sauce, and of course soy sauce. That's all in there. What else? That's pretty much all the ingredients. I think I've covered them all. And then I'm going to eat it over a short grain California brown rice, organic, and it will be delicious.